Hello, I'm just going to quickly show you how to uninstall and install a headlight in a Nissan Sentra, 2002 Nissan Sentra. This one is, but it's also the same year or the same body style as 2001, 2002, 2003. So, but I got the SER headlights, but this is a GXE, and the only difference really is that the SER headlights have black in here, and I got two of them. There's an SER headlight, and then that's just the GXE, and it's got the chrome on the inside, and the SER has the black on it. So that's about it. All you gotta do is you got a 10 millimeter socket, 2 bolts on the headlight. I already loosened them, so it didn't take me 3 hours to do it. And then there is 2 plugs, one for the main headlight and then one for your signal light or parking light. Then there's also a little piece you got to pop out in behind the headlight. And then you just pretty much pull it out. That's what it should look like, I guess, unless it's a little better. Then got the new headlight. Just gotta stick it in there. And you always want to make sure you plug it in, too. I'm going to plug it in first. That way I don't forget later. Alright. Then this plug. There we go. Now, to get it in. Alright. That looks pretty good. Yep. Then you just put your bolts back in. It also goes a lot faster if you have an air ratchet, but I didn't want to pull all the air hoses out. So. Alright. Well, you know what to do. And that's it.